Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Lavern Hinds property here in Fairburn, Georgia. This property did get hit by some pretty good sized hail. It looks like you guys are paying for, looks to remove 9.3 squares and to replace it with 11 squares. I'm guessing that you guys are replacing the front slope, which has obvious hail damage. Pretty much all across the slope. I'm not really sure why. Well, I guess if that 11 squares is for additional slopes, it looks like obviously right facing slope. We have the same hail damages as the front. So not really sure what slopes have been paid for. Sorry, it's a steep slope, guys. Just trying to get you guys some photos of this hail damage. Obviously, okay, this is right now. The back slope is covered in solar panels, but it looks like it did take some damage as well in these open spots right here. Got a big one right here. So I'm not really sure, like I said, which slopes you guys are paying for. But like I said, this back slope took just as much damage as the other slopes. I was sent out here to do a repairability test on this roof, but it does look like this roof does have some good age still left in it. Like I said, guys, you have hail consistently on every single slope, not just the ones that aren't covered in solar panels. I can keep going on this back slope if you guys would like, find some other damages, but I'm going to show you guys each directional slope during this video. That way you guys can maybe make a coverage decision from it. But like I said, guys, this back slope just as much hail damage as the other slopes do. You obviously have damaged components back here. I believe this left slope is north facing, so it most likely does not have any damages. It does tie over this front slope, which is obviously being replaced. So this slope being less than a square, you'll most likely damage all of these shingles up to a certain point. I'm pretty sure you guys have what's called a shingle valley calculator, where you guys can type that in and do the math on how many shingles that will affect. And then obviously I've already showed you front, back, and the right slopes that all have hail damage to them. Like I said, this roof does have some life left in it. It looks to be about 8 to 10 years old. So I'm not going to remove a damaged shingle, but we'd like for you to reconsider the damages to this roof. Thank you, guys.